In this video, we're going to take a look at Amazon Comprehend. We're going to see what it does, where you use it in the real-world scenarios, and the goal is to give you a clear, practical overview so that when you see Comprehend in a console or hear about it in a project, you immediately know what problem is trying to solve for you. Traditionally, if you wanted to understand large volumes of text, you'd either read it manually or build your own natural language processing models. That takes time, expertise, and infrastructure. Amazon Comprehend turns that into a managed, API-driven service, so you send it a text and it sends back insights. No model training, no service required. It's an AWS service that works with text. It uses natural language processing and machine learning behind the scenes to read through your text and figure out what it means. And when we say natural language, we're talking about normal human language like English, Spanish, or French, not a programming language. You can feed Comprehend lots of different types of text: customer feedback forms, product reviews, chat transcript, internal documents, blog posts, or even social media content. The main idea is, if it's written text and you want to understand it better at scale, Comprehend can probably help there. Now, to make things easier to digest, let's break down some of the key capabilities of Comprehend. First up, sentiment analysis. With sentiment analysis, Comprehend tries to understand the overall emotion or tone of a piece of text. It will tell you if the text is generally positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. For example, if you have a bunch of customer feedback messages, you can use sentiment analysis to quickly see how many customers are happy, how many are upset, or how they change over time. Instead of reading every single comment yourself, Comprehend gives you a quick summary of the mood and lets you spot trends at a glance. The next feature is language detection. If you're collecting text from different countries, sometimes you don't even know what language a message is written. Comprehend can automatically detect the dominant language for you, and this can be very helpful if you want to route a message to the right support team or decide which translation to use before you analyze the content further. Moving on, we have key phrase and entity extraction. Well, key phrases are the main ideas in a sentence, things like delivery time, billing issues, or account password resets. And entities are a specific recognizable items such as people, places, organization, dates, and amount of money. Comprehend can scan your text and highlight these key phrases and entities, so you can quickly see what people are talking about the most. And this is very useful if you want to know which product feature is mentioned most often in reviews, or what kind of issues keep coming up in support tickets. Instead of manually tagging all of that text, Comprehend does the heavy lifting for you in this topic. Another powerful capability is topic modeling across a large set of documents. Topic modeling groups documents by main theme they talk about, so you don't have to predefine those themes. Comprehend discovers them for you right away. For instance, if you upload lots of support tickets, it might detect topics like payment issues, logging options, shipping questions, and so on and so forth, and then show you which support belongs to each topic. This helps you organize and understand large collections of text without manually creating categories or label ahead of time. Okay, before wrapping up the video, let's quickly summarize what you should remember about Amazon Comprehend at this stage. Comprehend is an AWS service that uses natural language processing and machine learning to analyze text at scale. It can detect the language of a text, understand overall sentiment, find key phrases and name entities, and group documents by topic. You'll typically see it used for things like customer feedback analysis, building smarter search experiences, and organizing large collections of text documents, so they're easier to work with and learn from. Okay, that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.